Hello, I'm going to show you how I use the count back strategy for 10 minus 3 equals 7. So this is how I find the difference, which is the answer. First, I draw a number line. That is starting with 10. So I go 10, 1, and I'll go back 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Now, a number line is only great if you have numbers like below 6, because you don't really want to be drawing jumps forever, right? So this is how I do it. I go 10, 9, 8, and 7. Then I count my jumps. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I did it in reverse because we're counting back. So it's 3, 2, 1. So this is how I do it now. See, this strategy is called count back. So this is what I like to do. Circle it right there. And then I'm going to draw this and a circle. So now that will equal the answer over here. So that is how I use the count back strategy. I use count back because 10 and 3 are far away from each other. What I would call close together is below 5. So that's what I call close and far. Okay, this is the end. Bye. Okay.
Isabel, the yellow one is your
Hello,
water, right?
guys.
You drank already, right?
I'm gonna show you how I use the count up strategy for math. So as you can see here, my number line is this over here. You know what? I'm going to change my pointer. Yeah, like that to that, because now you can see better. So first, I'm going to draw a number line like this. Simple as that. I'll do this, and I will draw a 15 actually, because we're using count up. So you got it. We start at 15 over here. So that's how we do it. Now let's close that up. As you can see here, now I'm going to draw it 15 starting here, because that's how I do it, because we're counting up. So we start 15 and count up all the way until we reach 18. So I do 3 first, see what is enough. 15, 16, 17, 18. So guys, let's say you make one more and say, oops, just forget about it, erase it. You can forget about that. Make it as if that's what happened. So let's say 1, 2, 3 jumps. So now it's really important to count your jumps, because sometimes you will have to count these parts of it, these over here, to find the answer, and because it's not always the last one over here. It will always be the last one, but not always at the middle. like at the bottom. Sorry, guys. So now, as you can see, instead of counting over here and finding the answer 18, no, that's not what you do. You circle this, and 3 will be your answer. You see it over here, the tree. My laser pointer is going around it. Yeah, that one. Yeah. So, just to show you, it's up here. That's the answer. And that's how you solve. You use count up for subtraction. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Bye. Hello guys, I'm started blank because I want to show you how I actually make the setup for my video. So this is how I do it. First I go over here, going to the plus, click math equations, and we're going to do 5 minus 3 equals 2 today, because I know that seems easy, but it's how you show your thinking. So just memorize this first. Just go this. So like you get used to showing your thinking, so you can solve it faster. 5 minus 3 or 2 equals 3. Yeah. So then you close that bar up, use 2 fingers, stretch it out a little, move it up. So now I'm going to get my pen, this one, so this right today, and we're going to be learning about fact families. This isn't really a strategy, but it'll help you. But like, I'm a student, so just so you know, I'm making these videos. This is how I do it. I do it like this. Since it's a family, they have to stay in a house, right? Let's say draw a house, and then don't need to do all those fancy details like doors and windows and stuff. Just that will do. And then you write this: 5, 2, dash 3. So this is how the fact family works. It's basically 3 numbers scrambled up differently to make 4 different number sentences. Okay, so here we go. First, I draw 5 minus 2 equals. I write 5 minus 2 equals 3. Oh, you know what? This would be much easier. And then I go 5 minus 2, no, 3 equals 2. And now we've gotten a minus done. We can do plus addition. So we say 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's done. And then we go on to and then we go plus math equations, so you go e plus 2 5. Okay. I know what you might be saying, that these 2 are the same. It's just these are turned around. That's another strategy. I know these are the same, but I told you these are different number sentences. So thanks for watching this, guys. See you in another episode. Bye. Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you the SA strategy. It stands for subtract all. I'm going to write it right here. SA. Just figured out I'm going to use pink because it's closest to red. There is red in another template, but you see, I think black is better because it's off a whiteboard, right? So let's move this number sentence up and let's start. So SA is basically like, you see this thing over here. This thing over here. This thing over here. I'm going to use green lightsaber because I like Yoda. Yeah, this over here. 1, 2, and 3 is power of subtract all. So let's get started. I can do this on the number line, but I'm going to teach you my way first. So first you draw five red dots and then another 5 for the other 5. And now I'm going to use another color to cross them out. So cross them out. Make sure they're totally crossed out. Don't have to do that. Just making it more understandable. And you see now with 5, well, 10 and totally crossed out because all of them will just bam, 0, nothing. Now this is how you do it on the number line. Okay, I'm gonna talk to Auntie. Right? You have to use the CB for if you want this to work, but you see, basically you've got 5 and you count back 5. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Where's the book? Can you?
Okay. I have to answer it here. That subject will go over here. Bye.